I can't sell this complete because someone might get it. They might say, oh, well, the Wi-Fi cables are cut. I'm returning it. We don't want that. So I'm also going to go into the screen and just sell the monitor. So I'm going to put this with the working stuff. Now we're going to go ahead and remove board and remove all the other pieces and prepare them for scrap. This is quite a big board from the looks of it, and for people who depopulate and everything, this is a really nice board for that, from what I see. Couple more screws here and we should be able to get the motherboard out. Might be a couple more screws somewhere that I can't see or I haven't noticed. So I feel some resistance. Oh, there's this guy actually. That's probably what's causing part of it. The DVD drive. Should be able to slide right out. Oh, there's a screw there. There you go. Another DVD to go into the DVD pile for board sort. You can remove sell complete or remove the board inside, but the board inside is probably not too big itself, and that's what was holding it down, the DVD drive. Oh, and a piece of aluminum, the hidden aluminum from last time. Found another piece. So like I said, looks like a little piece of plastic. Scratch it up and it's all nice shiny aluminum. This is all broken. It doesn't have much value, if any. Cable, some a little board here, nothing too special, and a really nice motherboard with for like I said, people who like to depopulate and everything. You got your gold connectors, all gold here in the connectors, USB gold, audio port gold.